We were asked to come out here and work in the phase dock and kind of highlight what some of our phase professionals do. And so I was tasked to work with Sergeant Bannon and work on the left side of the aircraft. We removed, replaced, inspected, and lubed the leading edge torque shafts, and also worked on the PTO shaft up underneath.
We were working phase for that day, so during that day we were installing PTO shaft, doing LEF, leading edge flap, torque tube inspections, checking for corrosion. Phase inspection is an hourly inspection. We complete it every 300 hours. We started to work straight on the LEFs and make sure that the torque tubes were all cleaned off and taken out and inspected so that we could get a good visual inspection on corrosion. And then after that we came down to the 3304 area and we looked at the ADG and we changed out the hydro pump and replaced some hydro lines as well going through the bulkhead. We also installed the PTO shaft that day. So we had pretty busy work.
Well, it was difficult because you're only this high off the ground and of course, you know, kind of looking up. So it's more difficult than I thought it was going to be. Plus there's some tight, you know, moving around, getting the bolts in place and stuff like that.
It was nice to have them out there. It was good to see them come out and actually they got dirty with us, you know. They got grease on their arms and one of the chiefs got some hydro spilt on them. So it was a lot of fun, you know. It was good to see that they could still come out and come do our job.
The whole thing was amazing. I was looking forward to working with them, and I love working with my hands anyway. So to be able to be out here and engage with the airmen and do some of the stuff that they do was fun.
They sure made it a point to get to know us and get to see what it's like to start turning wrenches and get out of the office. It was cool to see them come out.
Our maintenance professionals do a great job of keeping these 32-year-old aircraft flying, and the phase team here, they do an awesome job of taking and breaking everything down like they're supposed to, making sure everything's checked within tolerances and put back together on schedule, and keeping them flying to make sure our MC rates are high. And despite the manning and funding challenges that we have, these guys are still doing it. They come to work every day, they do their job. There was no complaints. Sergeant Bannon was very accommodating. He took the time not only to train me per the TO, but explained what everything did and how it works and how the overall system works together. So it was awesome.